Hi there. Welcome to the GridMate learning channel. Today, we're diving into PivotGrid formulas. This feature lets you create custom columns using a variety of built-in functions, math, text, logical operations, and more, directly within your grid configuration. No code needed, GridMate handles the rest. Let's get into it. First, click on the Config wizard. Next, head over to the Formulas section. As you can see, we have all the fields right here. For the label, set it to Profit Margin. Here, we have access to a variety of functions, math, text, logical operations. Let's select Round. We divide net revenue by revenue, multiply by 100 to get the percentage, round it to 2 decimals. Click Check Syntax, always a good habit. Click Add Formula. After that, we need to copy the configuration. Now, edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. While the page is loading, let's take a look at how the configuration is shaping up. So this is the formula configuration, looking good so far. Let's add some styling so the cell displays in a clean, readable way. Once that's done, copy everything. Head back to the App Builder. Paste everything in the formula columns. For the value columns, let's add the name of the formula so everything lines up nicely. Copy everything again, then paste the configuration into the value column property. Click Save, then click Back. Reload the page, almost there. And just like that, your custom formula column has been successfully added to your PivotGrid. Now let's do a bit of inline editing to confirm that the formula updates automatically. Click Save. And that's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and happy building.